Welcome back. Today we're looking at a nested if statement. Now earlier we looked at an if statement, and the logic for that is to examine some condition, a logical test, and that will always return either true or false. If that test returns a true, then do whatever's in this middle position here, the value of true. If not, it must be false, and so do what's here. Well, what if there are more than two possible outcomes, a true-false outcome? One way of dealing with that is through nested ifs. And in that situation, we have the logical test, what to do if it's true, but then instead of value of false, we put in another if statement. And we can continue doing that nesting of if statements if that seems like a good way of handling a particular problem. So here's the logic of the nesting that we're going to look at today. We're if and the test, and if true, and then if not, this other test. Our situation to look at is we want to look at some points on a test and decide if the grade would be an A, B, or C. And if the points scored were greater than or equal to 90, then an A. Greater than or equal to 80, meaning less than 90 but greater than or equal to 80, a B. Or less than 80, then C. And so here's the logic of what we're doing. If the points are greater than or equal to 90, A, otherwise greater than or equal to 80, B. If not, then the value of false is C. So let's implement that in this cell. So equals if. The logical test is if the points are greater than or equal to 90. And if that's true, then A. Otherwise, another if statement is if the points are greater than or equal to 80. If that's true, then a B. Otherwise, C. And so close off the first if, close off the second if. And let's look at that statement one more time. So we can see if the points are greater than or equal to 90 in A, otherwise if they're more than 80, greater than or equal to 80, B, else C. And so if we were to change the points here, say to 85, we'd see a B, say 70, we would see a C. So nested ifs, a very useful function.